Hello, word explorers. Today, we're going on an adventure to discover nouns. Nouns are naming words, and they're everywhere around you. Can you guess what a noun is? Let's find out. A noun is a word that names a person, a place, a thing, or an animal. Let's look around this park and find some nouns. People are nouns. Who do we see? We see a boy, a girl, a teacher, and a mum. Those are all nouns. Places are nouns, too. Where could we go? To a park, a school, a home, or a beach. All of those are nouns. What about things? What can you see or touch? A ball, a tree, a book, and a bicycle. Yep, those are nouns. And let's not forget animals. Which animals can we name? A dog, a cat, a bird, and a butterfly. See, nouns are the naming words for almost everything you can see, touch, or think about. Now, let's be noun detectives. I'll say a sentence, and you find the nouns. Ready? First sentence. The cat sat on the mat. Can you find the nouns? The nouns are cat and mat. Great job. Next sentence. Sarah went to the store with her brother. Think hard. The nouns are Sarah, store, and brother. You're getting good at this. Last one. The big dog ate a bone in the garden. Where are the nouns? That's right. The nouns are dog, bone, and garden. Fantastic detective work. Here, as a super tip. If you can put the word the or a in front of a word, it's usually a noun. Like the ball or a cookie. It works almost every time. Nouns also come into special flavors, common and proper. Common nouns name any person, place, or thing, like dog, city, or teacher. 3. They start with a lowercase letter. Proper nouns name a specific person, place, or thing. They always start with a capital letter. So, not just any dog, but a special dog named Spot. Not just any city, but a specific city like New York. Not just any teacher, but your teacher, Mrs. Johnson. Days like Monday and months like December are also proper nouns. Remember, if it's a special name, make it capital. Nouns can also be singular, which means just one, or plural, which means more than one. We can have one cat or two cats. We usually just add an S. One box becomes two boxes, we add E's. One baby becomes two babies, we change the Y to I, and some are special. One child becomes two children. Most of the time, just add an S to make more than one. Okay, time for a super fast noun hunt challenge. Quick, how many nouns can you find in this room? Let's see. There's a bed, a pillow, a lamp, a window, a teddy bear, books, a clock, a rug, a poster, and a toy box. Wow, that's 10 nouns in just one room. Nouns really are everywhere. Let's remember our noun rule. Nouns name people like a teacher or Emma, places like a school or London, things like a ball or a phone, and animals like a dog or a lion. Amazing work, noun detectives. Now you can spot nouns anywhere you go. Look around you right now. How many nouns can you see? Keep exploring the wonderful world of words. See you next time.